Hello everyone and welcome to day 7 of the Daniel's fast. Today I'll be sharing with you a quick and easy peanut butter oatmeal recipe. If you're new to the channel, make sure to click the subscribe button and the post notification bell next to it so you don't miss out on any future uploads. To a pot on medium heat, we're going to add 4 cups of coconut milk. One cinnamon stick and 2 star anise. Then we're going to add 1.5 cups of quick oats. Followed by 2 tablespoons of date syrup. The link for my date syrup recipe will be found in the description. And now we're going to add 1/4 cup of homemade peanut butter. The link for my peanut butter recipe will also be found in the description. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Stay tuned for the verse of the day. Then God said, "Take your son, your only son, whom you love, Isaac, and go to the region of Moriah. Sacrifice him there as a burnt offering on the mountain I will show you." Genesis 22, verse 2. Abraham reasoned that God could even raise the dead, and so in a manner of speaking he did receive Isaac back from death. Hebrews 11, verse 19.